Measurements in units. Measurement is the process of quantifying an attribute of an object or phenomenon. Measurements are essential for understanding the physical world, conducting experiments, and making comparisons. To ensure consistency and clear communication, standardized units are used to express measurements. Types of measurements. Length measures the extent of something from one end to the other. Common units include meters, m, centimeters, cm, and inches, in. Mass measures the amount of matter in an object. Common units include kilograms, kilogram, grams, g, and pounds, lb. Time measures the duration between events. Common units include seconds, s, minutes, min, and hours, h. Temperature measures the hotness or coldness of an object. Common units include degrees Celsius, degree C, and Fahrenheit, degree F. Volume measures the amount of space occupied by an object. Common units include liters, L, cubic meters, m cubed, and cubic feet, ft cubed. Electric current measures the flow of electric charge. Common unit is the ampere, A. Amount of substance measures the quantity of chemical entities, atoms, molecules, etc. Common unit is the mole. Luminous intensity measures the amount of light emitted by a source. Common unit is the candela, CD. Units conversion. Converting between different units is crucial for comparing measurements and using them in various contexts. Conversion involves multiplying by conversion factors that relate the two units. Conversion factors are derived from the relationships between the units. For example, 1 meter m equals 100 centimeters cm. 1 kilogram equals 1000 grams g. 1 mile equals 1.60934 kilometers km. Tools for measurement. Measuring tools are instruments designed to provide accurate and reliable measurements. Here are some commonly used tools. Ruler, used for measuring lengths and distances in units such as centimeters or inches. Balance, scale, used for measuring mass. A balance compares an object's mass to a known mass, while a scale provides direct readings in grams or kilograms. Thermometer, used for measuring temperature, typically in degrees Celsius or Fahrenheit. Stopwatch, clock, used for measuring time intervals. Caliper, used for precise measurements of distances, including inner and outer dimensions, with high accuracy. Voltmeter and ammeter, used to measure voltage and current in electrical circuits, respectively. Graduated cylinder, used for measuring liquid volume with relatively high accuracy. Spectrometer, used in chemistry and physics to measure the properties of light, such as its wavelength or intensity. Multimeter, an electronic measuring instrument that combines several measurement functions in one unit, including voltage, current, and resistance. Micrometer, a tool for very precise measurements, often used in engineering and manufacturing. Protractor, used to measure angles in degrees. Tape measure, a flexible ruler used for measuring longer distances, often used in construction and carpentry. These are just a few examples of the many tools available for measurement. Each tool has its own precision and is designed for specific types of measurements. Proper use of these tools ensures accurate and reliable results in various fields of science, engineering, and everyday life.